Hi everyone, welcome back. If you do not know, my name is Devon. Here on my channel I cover all things beauty. That includes makeup, fragrance, and designing here and there. If you think that is something you'd be interested in, then I hope you stay and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you're notified every week when I upload. In today's lip combo of the day, I am actually using my e.l.f. Cream Glide Lip Liner. This is in Dark Cocoa. I've used this several times before. And on top, I'm actually using my MAC Snob. And this was low-key inspired by the new JT collab with MAC. Someone had asked me what did I think about it and would I purchase it, and the answer is no, because I already have Snob. So I already have Snob, my lipstick, and then over top I'm wearing my Dior Lip Glow lip oil. Yeah, so this is what my lip combo for today is. And in today's video, you guys, I am back with another declutter. I told you guys I was splitting it up into 3 different parts. This one actually has some more Bath and Body Works things in here as well. I myself doing a 4th. Like, I'm gonna probably do another one over on my collection and really be like, try to, you know, keep it under a certain amount and go through things to see if there's anything in particular that I am to get rid of. If you guys have not seen the other 2 declutters I did, I will have them linked below. I also have my email listed pinned in the comment section. If you guys want to email me, I have gotten a couple emails from you guys. I have sold a couple things, so there are definitely a few things that are gone from the Bath and Body Works have. I think pretty much everything Victoria's Secret is still there. I don't have a lot of fragrances, but I did bring a few things, so I wanted to go ahead and share this with you guys. So yeah, we're gonna start with a couple Bath and Body Works things first, and then we'll go into the perfumes. I have 4 diamond shimmer mists that I feel like I should just get rid of because I literally never use them. So 3 of them are full and have never been used, and 1 has a little bit of usage. So I have these 4. I would probably just do a bundle with all 4. People were asking me what are the prices on things. The prices will vary depending on what you want, how many things you want, where you want to purchase it, because I am still adding things to my Mercari slowly but surely. But I told you guys, Mercari takes out a portion from me as well as they take a portion from you. So if I can get people to just purchase strictly through me, which I already have, that will work out, and then I will send you tracking and shipping and send you everything that you need. Okay, so I am getting rid of my 4 diamond shimmer mists. So we have Dream Bright, Gingham Gorgeous, Strawberry Pound Cake, and then this one is Hope Winter Peach Marshmallow. So that's the only one that has a little bit of usage to it. But you guys, I never use these. I don't even know why I got minis that I'm thinking about grouping together. I have Zesty Peach, Dream Bright, Starlit Night, and Luminous. I never use these. I already have a Zesty Peach. It's a backup. I don't need all of these. I already have all of these in full size, and I feel like I don't really wear these all that much, so I kind of just want to get rid of it. And I think I have 2 more Bath and Body Works sets. So this one is Wrapped in Sunshine. So this is the shower gel and the spray. I also have the body cream as well. I think I already put this one on my Mercari, but this one is Golden Citrus, White Peach, and Blonde Woods. It actually smells very nice. It's really pretty. It came out a couple years ago for fall, but I literally never use this set. It has been sitting in my collection for years and getting dusty, so I want to give her a good home. And again, don't forget this comes with the body cream. And the other thing that I kind of want to get rid of because I don't really like the scent, this one is Denim and Daisies. So this is the shower gel. I actually have the body cream as well. This is Sweet Daisy, Sunwash Denim, and Summer Citrus. And here's the thing, I have this brand new. I also have the body cream brand new, and I do have the spray. But here's the problem with the spray. The spray actually like broke, I guess, when we were moving, so it has a crack in it, so it wasted. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to sell the spray or not, because it has a little bit of a, it's not a crack, but it was dented in on the side. I don't know if you guys can see it right there. So literally this is not from usage, this is from it being wasted a long time ago, but before we moved here or while we were moving here. So I don't know if I'll be able to ship this, but if you are interested in the shower gel and the body cream, for sure, I know I can ship those with no issues. Now we're gonna go ahead and get into a few fragrances that are up for grabs. So this first one is the only one, it might be one or two in here that I'm unsure of, but this first one I'm still undecided if I want to get rid of this one or not. But this was actually Bath and Body Works Gingham Fresh, and this is the usage in it. I've used this a handful of times. I do have this in travel sizes, and I feel like I use those more on my tray a couple months ago, and I feel like I used it a little bit but not a lot. So I'm thinking about getting rid of this one. I think I still have the box for this one as well, so if anyone is actually interested in this one, I will probably go ahead and get rid of it, but it's kind of like on the chopping block right now. We have Tom Ford's Fleur de Portofino Aqua. This one I probably have worn once or twice. It's basically brand new. This is the 1.7 fluid ounce bottle. I might go ahead and post some scent notes in here because I don't know exactly what is in all of these scents, but this one I know has a very distinctive honey note in here. It's like a citrusy honey scent, and I just don't really love honey all that much, and it just doesn't really work for me. So I am willing to get rid of that, to probably get rid of my Giorgio Armani Si Passione. This one I have had for a couple years, and I never wear this one. I never reach for it. This is the 1.7 fluid ounce bottle. It's basically pretty much full. See, it's like up to here. I probably have used this once or twice. It sits in my collection and collects dust, so I'm ready to get rid of this. And I don't know what the price of all these fragrances cost, but I can guarantee you that I probably will be selling most of them for at least half the price of what they're worth, like retail. This is my Carolina Herrera Good Girl. This is the original. This is actually the leg elixir, and then this is the fragrance. So the fragrance is actually to here, a little bit of usage here. This, but it says 80 ml. So yeah, that is what this is. I just never reach for her. She's a very nice, strong, sexy scent, but I rarely reach for her in this weather. So yeah, I have the Jimmy Choo I Want Choo. You guys, this is a 1.3 ounce. I may have worn this once. I never wear this. I never ever wear this. She's been sitting in my collection for a while. She needs to go. Getting rid of one of my Kayali's, and this is because I just don't wear her. I feel like out here in Texas it gets cool winter time, but sometimes not cool enough for some of these scents, and this is definitely one that I just feel like I can't ever wear. This is Kayali's Invite Only Amber. This is one of the original bottles. She's literally to here. I can see her. She's rarely ever used. I do have travel sizes of this one, so I used to go through my travel size first. I never wear her. Getting rid of my big size of my Mont Blanc Signature. Y'all, I got this a while ago because the girls were saying this was like an orange creamsicle type of fragrance, and I don't like it. I just don't like it. It does not work for me. This is somebody's signature scent. A lot of people love this one. To me, I just didn't really like it. I don't like it. This is the big bottle. This is the 3 ounce bottle. Getting rid of her. I am debating, okay? She's up for debate of getting rid of my Dolce & Gabbana Devotion. You guys, this is my second bottle of Devotion. The first bottle, I don't know if it went bad or if I just did not like the scent, and I feel like I've been turned off from this scent ever since. Even with purchasing a brand new bottle, I like this bottle. I don't love it. I do not love the fragrance. Something about it is very cloying to me, and I just don't really like it. And I have other lemon pound cakey type scents that I love way more than this. So yeah, I am definitely willing to let her go if someone wants to purchase her. And this is the 1.7 fluid ounce bottle. The fragrance I have in here is by Coach, and this is Coach Blossom. I think this is the 1 ounce bottle. I just never reach for her. I think she's pretty floral. I don't know, but I never reach for her, so I want to get rid of her. This one is the Kayal. This is by Paris Corner. Y'all seen me haul this a while ago. I have literally worn this a couple times. The bottle is still totally full all the way up to here. I can see it. She's a nice citrus fragrance, but I feel like I have something in my collection that smells very, very similar. I can't think of what it is, but I haven't reached for her since I tried to put her on my tray, and then when I put her on my tray, I rarely reach for her. And then we have one more Arabian fragrance that is up for grabs that I might get rid of. This is by Amir, and this is Volk's Zest. This one is actually really good. This one is really good, but again, I think I have something in my collection that is very similar to this. This one has a really nice sweet caramel note in here, so I'm not 100% sure yet. She is damn near full. She's all the way up to here. She's huge. Like, these are 3.4 fluid ounce bottles, both of these, and I don't know. I don't know. So I might get rid of her Zara fragrances, which I'm going to put these together. Y'all, these ain't gonna cost nothing. I'm probably gonna put these for $12 just together. This is Zara Femme, and this is then Zara Fields at Night. Both of these smell really good. I used to love Femme, and I had a bigger bottle. She's a really sweet powdery type of scent, but I rarely reach for her. This one has, I think, some caramel in her. She's actually really nice, but I think I'm ready to just go ahead and get rid of these. I have my other Zara fragrances that I reach for a little bit more, so I'm going to sell those together. Then I have a couple Victoria's Secret fragrances. I buy so many Victoria's Secret fragrances, and then I rarely wear them, and so these are the ones I rarely wear. So this first one is Victoria's Secret Very Sexy Now. This one is the 1.7 fluid ounce bottle. I never wear her. I think I bought her for nostalgia because back in the day, like when I was younger, I love this fragrance, but I'm not into florals like that anymore. So she smells pretty. She does smell pretty. Like, I'm rethinking it right now, but I'm like, I never reach for her. I need to stop purchasing stuff that I never reach for. This other one is Victoria's Secret Scandalous. I got this because Cassania was talking about this a few years ago when I used to watch her regularly. Yeah, I feel like I have stuff in my collection that I reach for that smells similar. This one also, this is Dream Angel. I love the bottle of this. This is the 1.7. All of these are 1.7. That's how I buy my Victoria's Secret in 1.7. This one actually smells really pretty. I don't know if I should get rid of this one, but she might be up for grabs. And then the very last fragrance we have is Oh So Sexy. I love this bottle. I didn't even know what she smelled like. I just purchased her because the bottle was pretty. 1.7 again. This one is a green apple fragrance, and y'all know how I feel about apple, but some reason the green apple does work better. I just haven't used her yet. So yeah, you guys, she is nice, but I never reach for her. So yeah, you guys, that is it. Those are all the fragrances that I am willing to part with. If you guys are interested, don't forget I have my email in the comments, so if you want to email me, because it's hard to talk on Mercari about pricing unless you're buying from Mercari. So if you feel more comfortable purchasing from Mercari, we can work something out. I can post anything that you need me to post. And yeah, you guys, that is it. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you in another video. Bye guys.